Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today we are Schwartz in Montreal, Quebec. It's a very well-known sandwich place. They have great poutine, highly recommended by many people and highly regarded on Google by all the reviews. Today we're going to try out a sandwich and a poutine and see how it goes, see if it lives up to its reputation. Can't wait.
Hi. Can we get one sandwich and one fries, please? Fries. Sorry, yeah, sandwich and fries. With meat or no meat? Hello. Hi. So I'm getting one sandwich, one fries. Is it cash or card? Card, please, Deli. Would you like a receipt? Just wait for your...
So as you can see here, Schwartz, it's broken up into two sections. The place that we were in was right there. It has takeout only. Then there's a dine-in portion inside, and they set it up out here as well on Saint Laurence. So we ordered our sandwich and our fries. So now we're eager to sit down and try it out somewhere.
So we just got a nice lunch, which was fries and a smoked meat sandwich. So let's try it out.
So the sandwich here was $14, $13.95. Really hoping that it tastes great. It seems a little small for the price. Let's see what would they have inside.
So it's loaded with smoked meat.
What does it look like? Pastrami or?
Let's see. So it's fully loaded.
A lot of spices in there. The question here is it going to taste good? So let's have a bite. How does it taste?
It's fresh. The meat is tender. It's been smoked for hours. There's a great flavor inside.
How's the seasoning?
It's nice. It's I believe it's like a peppercorn inside, and then they also have mustard, which is great. And then it came with some fries. You also can get poutine there if wanted. We also got a pop, so this in total cost us $27. A little bit more than we would usually spend on some of our food.
Yeah, the fries seem a little typical and a bit small cut. The sandwich again for $15. It does seem a little small in size for actually $14. It does seem a little bit small for the cost though, but I guess some people would love the taste.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're in Montreal, come check them out.